In this video, we're going to cover how an instructor can create an assignment starting with a pre-created question set within WileyPLUS. Starting from your Assignments tab, you're going to click on the Plus Assignment button on the top right. You'll start off by giving your assignment a name and a total point value, which will show up in your WileyPLUS gradebook. After entering in the name and point value, you're going to scroll down to Submission Type and you're going to click on Add a Question Set. This will take you to the WileyPLUS Assignment Builder, where you'll have a few options to start off with. The first one is to start with a question set that you have already created. You can also start by selecting new questions in a new assignment. But if you wanted to create an assignment starting with one of Wiley's pre-created question sets, you would select this option, Wiley Question Sets, and it will tell you how many different sets are available. From here, if you know the title of the question set, section, or chapter, you can enter it in here, or scroll through our list. This list will provide you the name of the question set, the number of questions, and the policy profile that's tied to that set. If you'd like to preview the question set, you can click on the title. From here, you'll have two options. If you click on this drop-down, you can either use this set as is or duplicate and edit it. In our example, I'm going to duplicate it because I want to make some edits to my assignment. This will take you to the four-step process of building the assignment. Now, almost all of these will already be pre-filled in, but now you can make edits. So first off, I want to change the question set name. I don't want it to be known as copy of. I'm actually titling this Homework Chapter 2. Click on Next Step, and you'll notice on the far right-hand side under Added Questions, the questions are already added. Now from here, if I want to, I can remove these, I can duplicate them, I can also update the individual question policies. But if there's other questions that I would like to add, I would just walk through the same steps of when I was creating a new assignment from scratch. I'll see all the questions available per chapter. If I want to, I can use the filters and actually pull out specific questions to reduce my search efforts. Click into the chapter, how many questions match my search criteria within each section. And then from here, just simply click on each question that I would like to add, click Add, and have them added to my assignment. After adding in my questions, click Next Step to go to my global policies. If I don't want the generic homework policy, I can click this drop down and choose one of my pre-created policies, or I can go through and start customizing here. Once done, click Next Step. You'll be taken to the Content Covered area. Again, by default, this will be turned on our assignments. This will tell the students what chapter and learning objectives are covered on this assignment. So in this example, I have questions from Chapter 4 and Chapter 9 and their respective sections. If I'd like to turn it off, simply click the radio button to turn it off. In my example, I will leave this on. After you've made your edits to the pre-created question set and making this your own assignment, click on Create on the bottom right. You're going to be taken back to your assignment screen where you'll see a green box with the title of the assignment you just created, saying Successfully Added. You then just want to scroll down to the Assign To field and set your due date. In my example, I want this assigned to everybody on the 25th of June at 5:45 p.m. Click Done. My due date has now been set with its time for all of my students in my course. My last step is to click on Save and Publish. It is important that you click Save and Publish because if you were to just click Save, while this will save it, it will not make it available for your students. By clicking on Save and Publish, this will make the assignment visible to your students and will show up within your WileyPLUS gradebook. Instructors will be taken to their assignment overview screen where they'll be able to preview every question as an instructor or a student. And if they need to make any additional edits, they can click on Edit Question Set to jump back in to the assignment builder. Lastly, if you want to preview your students' results in real time, simply click on the Student Progress tab and you'll be able to see the work that students are doing as they're submitting their answers. If at any time you have any questions on how to create an assignment within WileyPLUS using a pre-created question set, please do not hesitate to contact your Customer Success Manager. Thank you very much.